We are pleased to show you the 2017 G80. The Genesis G80 offers a distinct luxury vehicle coupled with great value. Power, technology, and safety are all reasons you're going to want to check out this premium sedan, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.